Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both apps. Open the first app and swipe up to Recent. This places it ready. Next, tap the app icon or long press its card and select Split Screen. This pins the first app to the top. Once done, the system waits for a second app to fill the lower half. Make sure to leave gestures enabled in settings so Split works smoothly, and note some full-screen games may block Split Screen by design. Once the top is set, choose the second app from Recent or open it from the app drawer. It will appear in the lower half automatically. Then drag the middle divider to set the split ratio. Hold briefly for finer control and precise resizing. Make sure to switch orientation if you want side-by-side views, because landscape offers more horizontal space. Also, be aware that some apps will switch to simplified layouts in split mode to conserve screen real estate and maintain touch accuracy. To finish, swap or replace an app by pulling its icon into either pane or opening a new app from Recent. This keeps your workflow fluid. When done, close Split by dragging the divider fully up or down, or end it in Recent. If Split Screen won't start, restart the phone, check for app compatibility, and disable then re-enable gesture navigation in settings. This often clears glitches. If problems persist, update apps and systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.